Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Xapo application on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to download Xapo application on your iPhone, first make sure that you've connected your device to an internet. Once you have, tap Open App Store. Go to the search box that appears at the top of the screen and tap it on. Now type in Xapo and search. You'll be able to see the application displayed in the search result at the very top. Tap on the Get button, confirm your identity, and your application should begin its download. Xapo Bank caters to consumers that are serious about safeguarding their assets with a new kind of digital bank. You may save in USD, invest in BTC, and spend in any currency. Wait for the application to get downloaded on your mobile device. Soon after it does, you'll be able to operate the application just fine. Once you download the application, it will show you an open button popping up right next to it. Tap it on to launch the app open, and that is how you can easily download Xapo application on your iPhone. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.